I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your display runs at its native resolution and the preferred refresh rate. This prevents scaling artifacts. Once done, update GPU drivers and load the manufacturer color profile so the panel behaves predictably. Next, set the monitor to an sRGB or content mode as a neutral baseline. This reduces aggressive factory processing. Make sure ambient light is moderate. You need consistent lighting for accurate perception. Now move to color controls. Contrast, brightness, and preset choices are your first actionable levers. Next, you refine color and gamma to make the image pop without distortion. Start by setting brightness so black detail remains visible. A target around 120 to 140 CD/M2 works for most rooms. Then increase contrast until whites are vibrant but not blown out. Stop before highlight clipping appears. After that, set gamma to 2 for consistent midtones, and nudge RGB gain controls to remove color casts. Aim for neutral grays. Use test patterns or a calibration tool. Measure, adjust, and repeat until finally add finishing touches to boost perceived vibrancy without cheating color accuracy. Apply a subtle sharpening or clarity setting to enhance edge definition. Be cautious to avoid halos. Then save a custom ICC profile so you can revert to your tune setup across apps and after updates. Make sure adaptive brightness features are off when using the profile. If colors shift later, reset to your saved profile first. If problems persist, run a quick recalibration or reapply the baseline sRGB mode to diagnose hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.